Hello everyone, this is me, Mom Shaw Vlog, and today we will flex Dapitan, the shrine city of the Philippines. Nestled along the serene coastlines of northern Mindanao lies Dapitan, a city where history whispers through the trees and waves. Known as the Shrine City of the Philippines, Dapitan is more than just a place on the map. It's a living monument to the country's enduring spirit and cultural soul. Here, time slows down and the past meets the present in quiet reverence. It is in this very city where Dr. Jose Rizal, the nation's greatest hero, spent years in exile, years that transformed both the man and the land. His legacy is etched into the Dapitan's identity. From the Rizal Shrine, where he once lived, to the educational and civic projects he left behind as gifts to the community. But Dapitan is not merely a backdrop to history. It is a city of stories, heritage, and resilience. So welcome to Dapitan, the Shrine City of the Philippines, where history breathes through every stone, wave, and tree. It is a living testament to the spirit of heroism, resilience, and national pride. Best known as the place where Dr. Jose Rizal spent his years in exile. So Dapitan has transformed into a cultural and historical gem, rich in stories that shaped the soul of the Filipino nation. Dapitan is far more than just a destination. It is a journey through time. This quiet coastal city holds a sacred place in the nation's heart as the place of exile, reflection, and transformation of the country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Here, the past whispers through every street and shoreline. From the meticulously preserved Rizal shrines, where the hero lived, loved, and served, to the enduring charm of the Spanish-era architecture and century-old churches. But Dapitan is not only a city of the past. It pulses with life, culture, and natural beauty. Sun-kissed beaches, rolling hills, and vibrant festivals that celebrate both its legacy and its future. To visit Dapitan is to walk with history, to reflect on the courage of one man and the soul of a nation, and to discover the enduring spirit of a city that continues to inspire. So come visit the Shrine City of Dapitan, or the Shrine City of the Philippines.
it's so real.